and welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to come and show you guys how I customize this wig that I got from Iseehair. It is a 14-inch body wave, and in the box it comes with some pamphlet, tell you how to care for the wig, how to, do what you need to do with it. And it does also come with, the usual lashes and stuff. So this is a wig I'm just testing, see if, any hair is shedding. And it comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, as per usual. Now I am using this B2W and 30 developer to bleach the knots and stuff like that. I think I got it to the perfect consistency, but it was a little bit too runny for me right here, so I ended up going and adding a little bit more powder off camera, and voila. So here I am, I'm just gluing my edges down. Y'all know I ain't got no edges, but I'm just still trying to do a thing. And I'm just drying that. And now I'm going to figure out where I need to place it and then cut it. Cut it. Okay. And I'm just making sure that I don't cut too much off. And I'm just using the same Got2b glue to kind of lace it down, because I'm not really going to keep it on for a long time. It's just for the sake of this video. I'm going to go back in and blow dry it some more and making sure I place it exactly how I want it. And then I'm going to cut out the baby hairs and all of that good stuff. Also, before I do that, I'm using this bedhead hairspray that I haven't used in quite some time, but it's a good spray, y'all. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the Got2b spray just for added security, just making sure it's on there, right? And then I'm gonna place it down exactly where I want it. Y'all just see how this lace come out? Oh dang, I'm just so proud of myself. I was a little bit nervous in the beginning, you know what I'm saying? I was really nervous, thought I was gonna get it done, and yeah, I did. I could have plucked a little bit more. I honestly could have, but I think I nailed it for the first time. Now I'm going to lay my edges with this, what is called a touchdown. My sister put me onto this, y'all. It's really dope. The shit holes. So I love it. And I'm also going to be using the Got2b glue as well, just for, extra support. One could never have too much. And I know a lot of people saying, oh, use your mousse and stuff, but I don't think mousse holds the edges down. For me, it doesn't really hold my edges down for a long time. But yeah, look at me go with my edges snatched. Look at that. Ah, y'all see how I come through with that? It looks so good, so good. And I'm just making sure my edges are all aligned and making sure it looks really nice. So when I tie it down with my head tie, because I couldn't find anything else, and I'm gonna make sure I blow dry it, making sure it's dry and laid. And then I'm gonna go in with this what do you call this thing? Hair wax. I have one of the flat iron comb thingies, but for some reason it's not heating up as much. Like it's not, and I just didn't want to waste my time, so I ended up going with this curling wand and try and slick it down. Yeah, I'm not a beautician. I struggle with curling my hair. Okay, I struggle. Thank you guys so much. I did that thing. Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all, I was so nervous, but I absolutely love this wig, y'all. This is a 14-inch body wave by Iseehair. Okay, so I bought this wig because I love it. I just think that 2021, it's grown folk shit, grown folks vibe. Okay, so I just feel like this bob, this short hair is giving me that vibe. It's really giving me that vibe. So I am so proud of myself, y'all. And I bought the 4x4 on purpose because I feel like if I can practice on a 4x4, when I get like a 13x4, 13x6, or whatever it is, 13 by whatever, I will be able to finesse it more. You know what I'm saying? So practice makes perfect, okay? And I'm so proud of myself for doing that. So I don't know. I don't even want to sleep right now. It's like 3:30 already in the morning. And I'm loving this. I'm so loving this. I'm not even going to front. I'm loving this. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so. Subscribe right now, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, y'all, and drop me a comment. Let me know how I did. Like, I just really did this shit. I'm proud of myself, and I can't wait to show my sister this, because girl always come for me. So by the way, I did not experience any shedding. Mind you, obviously you'll get some shedding, but not at this very moment. I have not experienced any shedding at all. Even while, you know, brushing the hair, like washing the hair and stuff like that, I did not experience a whole lot while washing it, curling it, or anything like that. But for the most part, I absolutely love it. I'm digging it. So thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been giving me. I really appreciate it, guys. So love you guys, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on all socials at Msblackempress. It'll be on the screen, and it'll also be in the description box for you. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.